This is Sheandra.
Hi, nice to meet you. How are you?
Nice to meet you. My name is Sheandra and I'm 16.
Sheandra is the ultimate girly girl. She loves to get her hair done. She likes to be like a little fashionista.
First, I kind of like pick out the shoes, then I pick out like the shirt.
You look wonderful. Does everyone notice how put together you are?
Yeah.
What do they say?
You look pretty today, and I say, oh, thank you.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like algebra.
That's unusual.
Yeah, most people say it's kind of weird, but I kind of like it.
Why?
I think I like numbers, I guess.
And what do you like to do in your spare time?
Hang out with friends or like watch TV, go on the computer, or just do fun things. Hang out with my brother.
Tell me a little bit about your brother, Jonathan.
I really love him a lot. He loves sports.
He's a good big brother.
Yeah,
He's protective.
very.
Can't imagine life without him.
I can't.
She's a very good girl. She can be really funny, and sometimes she can be very serious. Has the best of kind of both with personality-wise. It's a little difficult for her. Her best friend just got placed a few weeks ago. She's just waiting for her turn. She said that, I'm a really good kid. When is it going to be my turn?
I just really want a family that will be there with me and my brother and just take care of us and like love us the way we are, and just simple as that.